you have a rising, everything else, it's a falling intonation. Who came to your party? What do you do? When is your birthday? Where did you go? Why were you absent? And again, pause this so that you can practice as well. How long is the drive? Whereas yes and no questions have this rise in intonation. Do you have pets? Are you from Mexico? Is he old enough to drive? Did you go to the party? Was he at home last night? Where were you able to join Zoom? Okay, so all of these are yes and no questions, and they have a rising intonation at the end. All right. So again, regular statements have a falling intonation. Okay, so when you're saying something just like the sky is blue, right? It's a regular information. But when there is a doubt in your mind, then it's a rise in intonation. The sky is blue, right? It goes up. Okay. All right, let me show you. I have 4 brothers. He's not my only friend. I like ice cream. Tim bought a new car. She likes to play tennis. Okay. And then you ran 55 miles, right? It goes up. The boss gave him a raise. He ate 25 hot dogs, right? Again, a rise in the last word. Mike was elected president. Is it really 3 o'clock? Again, there's a rise when it's a doubt, and there is a fall when it's just almost everything